Here we have an Amada horizontal bandsaw. This is an H250SAII. We got it hooked up to 230 volts, 3-phase power, and we're gonna run it and show you that it works. It comes with a conveyor. The motor. And this also has a brand new blade. It's got a hydraulic vise, and it's got a coolant pump. So Doug's gonna go ahead and run it and show you that it works.
Here's the vise right here. Right here is the release, and when you lift up, it comes on. So you can see it tightened up. Right here's how you turn the system on. It's already on. That's how you do the blade. Right here, you go up to, it's got a bigger material. You want to go down quick, you hit that. Here's the speed for going down when it's doing automatically, but it's kind of hard to tell, but it does work. And this is your RPM speed for the blade. So we're going to go ahead and lower it down real quick and set this piece of metal for you. And then see, it's headed pretty straight. See it straight up and down. Pretty accurate.
Okay, that is the Amada H250SAII horizontal bandsaw.